Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by pausing. Do not install unverified exploits. Instead, make sure your device is updated and you have backups. This protects data if something goes wrong. Once done, learn why KRNL-style tools are risky. They can trigger bans and security issues. Now choose an alternative route. Use the official Roblox app, join official test flight builds, or develop on a PC with Roblox Studio and sync assets. These steps protect your account, keep you compliant, and let you test safely. You now focus on actionable, legitimate work. First, install Roblox from the App Store or request a test flight invite. This preserves your account integrity. Then, set up a development workflow. Use Roblox Studio on a PC or Mac, manage code with Git, and export assets for mobile testing. Make sure to test scripts in Studio's emulation before trying them on a device. This approach teaches the mechanics of scripting safely and avoids the instability and policy violations of exploit. To finish, deploy your work through approved channels and test on device using official builds. This reduces false positives and account risk. If you hit errors, examine logs, restore from backups, and isolate changes by testing one modification at a time. Make sure to document steps so you can reproduce fixes. And crucially, if something seems broken or you suspect an account issue, contact Roblox support instead of using third-party injectors. That single precaution often resolves problems without introducing new ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.